Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you had a fantastic trading week. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing in an easy to follow along with format, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, hit that like button. Helps get these videos out to more people. So let's talk about the market today. We're going to look at how it moved. We're going to look at our plays for the week. I'm going to give you my ROI on that. Keep everything honest, and let's get right into it. So we had the S&P closed up today by 0.39%, Dow Jones up 0.33%, and the NASDAQ up 0.71% on the day. Not at all what I was expecting. I was really expecting a sell-off today, but the market ended up closing out green anyway. So I will say that we did end up on the SPX. We did not close above that $4,000 mark. We hit about $4,003 for the day, but we pulled down and closed just under that mark. So we're still holding that resistance line at that 4,000. So this is still not confirmed to me that we're going to see a move up to, say, 4,100. I still think that we could see a rejection. I still think this market could fall, which is why I've been telling you, just be careful if you're out there trading. If you're in this for the next 10 years, yes, we're still in some good price. But if you're out there trading, this is the time where the market is almost the most dangerous, because we're right here looking at a pullback. We don't have confirmation that it's going to, but we also don't have confirmation of it running either. So we've run up to a point that it's either got to break out or it's got to break down. It's too close to do much of anything else with. Now, we had our SQQQs that we bought yesterday afternoon. I was looking for them to run up and make good money today. I ended up getting stopped out of those. Had a stop price sitting at 47 and a quarter, which only represented slightly over 1% gain on that trade, but a win is a win. So I'm not going to complain about that. Our Coinbase puts just absolutely getting slaughtered. However, I still bought those far enough out. I'm holding them. We'll see what next week brings, because I'm still not giving up on the fact that I see a reversal coming out of this and that the market's going to trend downward. Crypto having an absolutely huge day today. In fact, Bitcoin has already broke over 21,000, up 5% on the day. Absolutely massive move out of Bitcoin today. And I'll be honest, I think that's what contributed to the markets. The markets held up just a little bit, but the crypto market's running huge. Bitcoin up over 21,000, Ethereum up over $1,500. We got Cardano running up over 36 cents. Just all the cryptos just running up right now. Going to be a very interesting weekend for cryptos. If you bought into some crypto recently, if you've been dollar cost averaging in like I have, everything you've bought over the last couple of months right now is up massively. Especially anything you've bought in the last 4 or 5 weeks is going to be up an insane amount. So kudos to you if you've been out there buying, if you've been out there dollar cost averaging. Now, does that mean that you need to sell it because it's run up? Not necessarily. If you're buying that, you're looking for that long-term hold, you're wanting to be on that next bull cycle, by all means hold it. You're going to make a killing when we get into that next bull market. However, if you're like me, you already have some positions out there. When we see a run up like this, it's always a good time to be able to take at least some of our profits off the table and be able to buy back in when we get a retracement, because we will. This is not the next bull market. This is not the next crypto bull cycle. We are in accumulation phase. We're going to see big run-ups like this, and then we're going to see retracements where it comes back down. So I like to be able to take profits, buy back in when we get that retracement. And that's what I'm going to be watching for. I'm going to be watching for that next buying opportunity. I'm going to be looking for this to slow down so that I can take some profits out of some of the positions that I have picked up over the last few days. Now, let's talk about our week. We didn't do a ton of trading this week, but we made very good. Our Coinbase stock that we bought on Monday, we made 10.7%. We made another 5.1% on our TQQQs. We made another 6.1% on Tuesday on our SQQQs. We made another 4.5% on Thursday on our SQQQs. And we made 1% today off of the SQQQs that we bought yesterday afternoon. All totaled up, we ended up making 21.8% on the week ROI. So I'm not complaining about that at all. I'm quite happy with that. If you've been following along with me, if you've been making some of that money, be sure and leave it in the comments. Also, let me know what your most profitable stock for the week was. I love reading the comments and seeing who's out there making money, who's following along. And also, if you just got any questions, I'm always happy to answer them just as soon as I can come across them. So that's what I got for you. I'm not going to make this video too long. Hope you had a great week. I hope you got a great weekend planned. Till next time, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.